These are the project of my student Zara Mohsin. She has chosen the topic of religious places, and in the math section she has taken teen and tens numbers. Then gross motor skill math she has made. From culture she has taken the continent boxes, and from zoology exercises she has made the classified cards of domestic wild animals. Now I am discussing the projects of my student Kandil Zara. She has chosen the topic of secondary orange color, and then pegging. From EPL she has chosen the topic of pegging. From science experiment she has taken the experiment of sink and float, and beside that she has made one object box to tell the children which things will float and which things will sink. And now there is chromatic sense, sensorial portion. And now from language portion she has chosen the topic of diagraphs, and she has explained these things with the help of a story, and she has made such cards: PH, phonograms, diagraphs, and these are the and the concept. See, these are the projects of Aisha Shaheen. From sensorial book she has introduced the topic of Montessori names of senses along with the organs. From science experiment she has chosen the topic of exploding volcano. And me on the map she has chosen the topic from geography area. And from EPL she has taken the concept of nail cutting. These are the projects of Zoya Hassan. From culture area she has chosen the continent of Asia and Australia. Cutting along a line was a project present in EPL book. Then alphabet tracing book from language portion. And for news period she has chosen the topic of calendar board. Now these are the projects of Fozia Bibi, daughter of Muhammad Riaz. From maths section she has taken the counters with numbers concept. From sensorial book she has taken the concept of circle, square, basic shapes, presentation tray, vegetable basket to introduce the names of vegetables to the children through classified cards and real objects. And to teach the children about the places around us she has made this project in which she has displayed the concept of bank, school, and the places that children see around the society or locality. And from language portion she has taken the project of pink level, and all the exercises are present in it. Haji, these are the projects of Masuma Bibi, daughter of Sayyid Nazakat Hussain Shah. From geography exercises she has chosen the topic of land, water, and air objects. From sensorial book she has made the concept of balancing scale. Then to develop the fine motor skills she has taken the ice cream sticks. From the section of maths she has chosen the topic of fractions. And from the language she has chosen the topic of vocabulary, building vocabulary through pictures. These are the handmade pictures. Now these are the projects of Savera Yusuf, daughter of Muhammad Yusuf. From culture she has chosen the topic of hemispheres of the earth, labeling of the names of the continents, and then dressing frames she has made. From EPL. From language book she has chosen the topic of noun family, and she has made this form a house activity. From maths topic she has made the concept of she has made the project of number cards and counters, even and to give the concept of even and odd numbers. From living and non-living things she has chosen this topic from science book, real objects, and with the pictures she has made the project related to living and non-living things. Now these are the projects of Fiza Bibi, daughter of Abdul Rahman. Addition exercises. For addition exercises, she has made the addition chart or addition board, we can say it. For from science section, she has chosen the topic of magnetic and non-magnetic objects. And from nut and bolts board, you can say this is a kind of busy board to provide the activity to learn how to use these things and to keep the child engaged in a purposeful activity. These are the handmade boxes of pink tower cubes, and this is the botany file shapes of leaves. These are the projects of Ikra Bibi, daughter of Sajawal Khan. She has made the life cycle of fish. From sensorial section, she has chosen the topic of long rods. From science section, she has chosen the topic of making anemometer. Then basic shapes she has introduced through this chart. And then from maths section, she has chosen the topic of subtraction charts. These are the projects of Kainat Tariq. She has made this solar system. From maths book, she has chosen the topic of 100 board. Then she has made this busy board. From EPL section, from language portion, she has made the symbols of grammar or parts of speech. And from sensorial exercises, she has made this mystery bag. These are the projects of Fiza Bibi, daughter of Muhammad Arif. She has chosen the topic of heavy and light objects.